Story time. I'm gonna tell you how this case turned into a 7-figure result that changed the life of my client. So when I started my law firm in 2019, I started with a handful of cases. And one of those cases for me was a case with this lady who got involved in an accident with the tow truck. They were blaming each other for who was at fault. I met the client and she was the sweetest lady in the world. So we decided to take on the case and do everything we could to make sure that she was able to make some kind of recovery. The case went on and she continued to treat. Again, the insurance company continued to try to say that she was the one at fault. Ultimately, we had to file the case in court. The client treated, but the offers continued to be really low and really unfair. She continued to have a bunch of pain. Most of the pain ended up resolving, but the client had this lingering issue in her wrist. We didn't really know what it was, so we hired some experts on the case. We were able to determine that the client suffered from what's known as CRPS, which is complex regional pain syndrome. It's a lifelong condition. The client was going to have to deal with this wrist pain for the rest of her life. We got her the treatment that she needed, and she's able to cope with that now, but that diagnosis of that injury took her case from a 6-figure case to what ultimately settled as a 7-figure case. And this injury could have been caused by an accident just as small as the one that you see here. It's one of those cases, like I said, that was like a baby to me, it was really important, and we were able to see it through to the end. But you can't always judge a book by its cover when you see these accidents that have minimal car damage and stuff like that and assume that people can't be injured.